How to group elements in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and go to the page you want to group elements in. Simply select all the text you want to group. Then click on three dots and you'll find group option. You can also use shortcut key, which is Ctrl+G. After that, your group elements will be grouped. As you can see, if you move it, it will move together as a group. But you can edit text differently as well. And this is how to group elements in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.